Alright, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Thank you for tuning in to JAMMIWOOD TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and these are our news and reviews. Christopher Smith, otherwise known as Jagga, and his accomplice are now in police custody for the attempted murder of Jennifer, his lover. St. John's Road rocked by two murders. It was reported to our news crew that Jennifer, who was taking care of Jagga financially, was encouraged by him to purchase a piece of land. However, after receiving a large sum of money to make the purchase, Jennifer was advised by Christopher, who was traveling along with his accomplice that he picked up later down the road, that his car had mechanical issues. He later stopped on the side of the road where Jagga and his accomplice attempted to strangle Jennifer. Both men were apprehended and is booked to appear before the Lamar magistrate. I am Tracy and Blair. Thank you for tuning in to JAMMIWOOD TV.
Here,
Thank you for that.
you're welcome.
May I have a seat?
Yeah, you can sit on the bed, no problem.
Thank you. Okay, Miss Morgan. I received information from Detective James down by the station. However, I need more details from you. So can you give me information on what exactly happened? All right?
Yes, miss.
So you can begin.
Okay. I find this young boy.
Okay.
Miss, when I say young boy, I know when you're laughing, although me old, you know? But a young boy I like.
I understand.
Me fall in love with him. And anything he asks me for, me always give it to him.
Okay, so how old is he?
22. Because him and my son used to go the same school.
The fact that your son attended the same school with him, do you think you can get proper information? Because if they were in the same school, then your son would have more credible information on his name and his age. Maybe.
Yes.
So is it possible you ask your son?
Them did in the same class, so me I ask him, he's supposed to know name everything about him.
Yes, mommy.
You can come here, please. We need to talk to you.
Jack, I hope they be there for there, no?
Him not up here. Just come here. Me want to talk to you.
Try make sure I'm remain up. Alright. Give me a second.
Alright.
Have you ever had an argument with him before this happened?
No, you know. You know, say him ask me for some money. Say him want buy a piece of land. Because him want build one hardware. So me no agree to give him the money. So me left go with him at the bank and take out $3 million.
Okay.
So when me come back now, me plan with him to go make him show me which part of the land there. And me way going, me see him friend in a Migla road, they fan him down. When he reach exactly where him friend there in a road, him stop. So him take up him friend. Him friend come in at the vehicle. So we start drive again.
And do you know the name of his friend?
How me hear me call him again? You know say, me not remember the name.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Continue.
But when him take up him friend, him start drive again. And him way. Me hear him say to me say, something wrong with the radiator in the vehicle. So him stop and come out of the vehicle while him friend dey behind me, behind my seat. Him stop and come out of the vehicle and say I fix the radiator. So him friend now put the rope around my neck and start squeeze my neck. And from that time they were increasing until now, all now my neck feels sore.
I can see that.
Yes, but I'm not really going on that. I just rub some little ointment on you and see if you that go down. You understand? Yes, but the bruise never come up same time.
Okay, so please don't touch it in case we have any evidence on it.
Yeah, I'm not touch it. I'm not touch it too hard because it hurt me. Alright. As me I saying come out of the vehicle, say I fix radiator. Wish that was a lie. Then squeeze my neck so me did knock out, you know? So then believe say me dead.
From which direction was the friend?
The friend did remember say me tell us the friend come in a vehicle, you know, but he did sit down behind my seat.
Oh,
Me
so
in
he
the
was
front.
behind you?
Yes, me in the front of the vehicle with my man.
Okay.
The man when me did think of mine. So anyway, after the increase me neck now, me no know what else happened. You understand? After me find myself in a one bush, all because I want farmer. If I never the farmer, maybe mother end up dead. Me never know say me in a bush. Because of the farmer make me know. Because the farmer come and me no know what he do to me. But all me know say me wake up and see this man stand up over me so they touch me.
So,
And me ask him to show me the main road. When me go up on the main road now, as so comes me find the station, me ask him which direction to go to police station. So as so comes me did go down there and tell the police them.
and on what main road did he direct you to?
It's true, I don't know that place at all, but it look like that road they look like when you go Sheffield or Namprel Road. Out Pandamia,
Okay.
because I don't know them place there. Just ask the man to show me main road. I don't really know where they call this up. Come in.
I Jaga hungry right this sir. Jaga. Till a long time. I'm saying what I want to say.
Thanks to mother.
I Jaga. You shoot the boy. Whom can't really say chain and we make Jaga bro the neck in the bedroom. Yeah, what so? Levy young boy.
Ricky. No, that me call the fiance.
Where come you ask me about?
Ricky, sit down right there, son. Ricky, the reason why I call her is because I want Jaga right name. Right now in lock up. Yes.
Jaga, right name.
Mm-hmm,
So mommy, you know ask the money right name before you take him up.
You give me one name, but I just want to make certain if I it or not. Just tell me one name.
Why name when give you?
They told me the nice name, plus just tell me name to see police are wait for me.
Officer, my mother kinda see that right now. But in name
Okay, thank you very much.
Can't believe it. Me come here and see chain there, so what happened?
Ricky, boy, I feel away. I feel so embarrassed to tell her because I did a warn about him. But me never listen when you say. Because if me did listen, this would not happen to me. Him and his friend plan up to kill me. All because of money. Because he tell me about piece of land when he want, and me decide to me I go buy the land for him.
Okay. You are going to buy a piece of land for your piece of boy. A boy will bully me at school, me I want about, and your poor son, we want a bicycle. You know buy me. Eh? Me have to flash out 2 tin mackerel. Eh? While him a eat fish, and him a eat lobster. I mean, they are yard I eat feed for white people food, chicken back, when they refuse over foreign, I send come a Jamaica come give we. You know me? Really? I see.
I understand. But don't worry yourself, me make up your back with you. Me will give you anything when you want to eat, but me just did call you to get the name.
Me not bother hungry again, me not bother want nothing. Me woman already give me stew peas already. Me alright with that.
You find another woman?
And she say one me there with. I tell you, me know her first name, me know her middle name, me know her last name because rule number 1, the father say anybody when me are there with me must know them name.
A tricky boy trick me. Because me did fall in love with him so much.
But if you go fall in love with an old man pantic, at least he not gonna left you. Him not gonna left you, he not gonna run, he can't run. You're gonna take out this big old chunk boy.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I do not mean to interrupt. However, I'd like to get this investigation over and done with. So, when I'm through, you guys can continue with your family. You can continue to resolve your family dispute, alright? Is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now, if I have any more issues, I will surely call you to come back to the station or if I need any more information, alright?
Okay.
Now, I will provide you with my number. I'm also going to ask you for your number so I can call you for any discrepancies, okay?
No problem.
Alright, thank you very much. May I have your number, please?
222
That's 222
81 04.
Okay, can you repeat that number?
222 8104.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm going to provide you with mine also, alright?
Mhm.
I'm going to give you my card.
Okay.
My card.
Thank you.
Feel free to use that number, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you very much. I'm taking the evidence along with my statements down to the station, alrighty?
Okay.
Have a blessed day.
You too.
So I revelation, you know, come look for you.
Rebel on our room.
When she come back?
Uno uncle see her on the road, I sell out our tuck shop. So he bring her back.
Oh, you must say cook food then, no.
Cook food. She had no business.
Why, oh boy. I expect that from Rebel still. I want something make she got. I don't know how it is.
Ricky, you are Rebel biggest brother. What Rebel tell me said before she go? Where she want to be?
She want to be a roadrunner.
Roadrunner. You're too lie. She said she want to be independent.
Why, mum, you know, we thank God say, nothing happen to you that bad, I just look a bruise. That's why in life, you see, if you accept anything what me say, you know. Look at my woman, although she bore up, she never tried to strangle me yet. That's why I love her so. You have to take on somebody will respect you enough, like somebody more older than me, and then they will accept you and say, yes, a good man for you, but one say I'm a good man for you. You then see better, you know. You know, say, what you see, not really good for you. Who the closer to you can tell you, say, yeah, that person is good for you. Sometimes you listen, but sometimes you can wrong.
Alright, Ricky, alright. No matter with the lecturing, I don't want you to lecture me right now. I understand and I know say me wrong, this don't happen already. Just figure about it. You understand what I say? Make the police deal with the rest, man. Can't bother. A long time you don't see your sister, me go call her.
That's true. True.
Rebel! Come here.
She don't know me too pantry on me.
Stop talking about your sister panty them. And why you want sister panty? Watch your woman panty, man. Come here.
Ricky.
Come on, Rebel. You have to put on weight, though. I want to look at pregnant.
You chat too much phone sometimes.
Man, why you look at me? Just ask the simple
Nobody
question.
start no argument again, man. Come man, that time we live good, man. That be foolishness. Yo, we got more than something. You gone already.
Mommy, I come home because I'm going to have a trip. I want to have a day. Rebel, take care of mommy, yeah?
Hey, man.
And also make sure you wash your panties them properly. Mommy, I'm not there.
Yeah, no problem. No
Ciao.
problem. Don't listen to him. One in your room.
Alright,
Uncle, you remember the last time you warned about the young youth when mother take up the jagger? Teeth all, if you ever see him bite up her neck, changa her neck. You don't know, uncle, you have to come look. Like a chain, him man have round his neck and them in a bed. You know them chain up business, them, you don't know. I said Jagger try to kill her. He might buy land with Jagger and Jagger want to kill her or something. The man his friend. Yes, uncle. She been in the house, but she doesn't know say me out up on the phone and go look for me woman friend. Me yet then get locked up. I don't know, uncle, but you want to know say if me ever find them first. Yeah, man, alright, uncle. Don't tell her I tell me call you, know. Alright. Night niece, what one?
Night, uncle.
Where mother there?
She in her room.
Alright.
How that?
Are your brother?
Alright, just pull the door and come
What go on, sister?
in. There, man.
What me say I go on? Nobody hide on it, man. Cause man don't tell me already. You should run money right to the whole place. As it happen, police call me and tell me. I saw me link them to. Know yourself. What me I say though? If your son talk to you about this young boy business, me say other people want you. But you just want stuck in the young people lifestyle. You want stay like them, you want dress like them and act like them. This is when you grow up, you grow up. You understand? You have to know. I'm not saying what happened to you is because the person them young. It's not because I'm young. It's just because of the country I run. Even all in could have done the same thing to you. But you have to know who you choose. You go buy land. To me here, right? If you go buy land, transfer money to landowner and ensure you buy land, put a name on it. But if you travel raw cash, it's like you attempt, you attract certain things. You understand? But differently, you have your son. You have to buy a piece of land for your son. But you plan to buy land for man. And why now you saw the first time you walk a foreign, you know, carry the money come and go business for your pitney. And man, you have a business for.
My brother, I understand what you're saying. I'm not saying wrong. You're right. But you know what trick me though? And I end up falling in love with him. My son talk to me, yes. But I never business why I say to me, you know. Because right now, to me, when he talk to me, I tell them, say, them can't tell me how to run my life. I choose who I want to choose. But I'm sorry. And you don't know
He
already,
trick you.
but right now I learn, you know.
He trick you because you're chicken.
You know, man.
You understand? But you done gone bad already. So what them say go on with the boy them now? Cause to me you attempting murder and look for your neck. It's a good thing when you're small. The bigger sister them used to choke you all the while. You could not withstand the choke there. And the hard life you grow up in making us a soft.
Not sure.
So me I say no. What they say go on with them though?
The police them take some statement. Them take all the clothes them from when they did have on. Them gone with it, them say, them will call me and give me one court date.
So me I say different from that though, I'm glad say you're not dead. You're still there.
Thanks.
But hope this will be a lesson to you. Lesson. Come in here, you call the next sister them and I show up on them. Why? You have the youngest boy, you have a young hot boy and this and that. The old man them there with that. Look on them, no, them a laugh for you.
So I think the boy did love me for you. That's why I take out
You know
my
love?
all and give it.
You know love?
No.
Love don't cost a thing. Love not cost nothing. That me I tell about love. Money can't buy love. Love can't buy money. Either way. Life is more precious. There's love out there, but you have to read through the fine print.
So me can't take money and buy love.
No. I wish you could take money and buy. You know much of my money? Me take on the young girl. The last time me have a little young girl named Kira. The first 10,000 I give me hide me out. Because I use the money. That me I tell you, money can't buy love. So anyway, I have cut up on the road. We can check this and say, alright. See, as long as the boy them behind bar, if them a friend, them are no friend and company want come back on you.
No.
Because if you're eyewitness, you know, you have to get to your guard, you know. Anyway, me have a call me. I want to look ends with the pan with a little catty. And them show me. I have to come check you. So I go back and fix a business there. Near it all.
Alright.
So Nancy, where you going with?
Here, uncle.
You see where you are going with the mother?
Yeah, me here.
You could have to you too. It's a good thing I take you off of the road the right time. Because there's some crazy people out here doing crazy stuff for many different reasons. So, now that you learn your lesson, your mother learn her lesson, I hope that be a blessing to you. Open up on your eye. Now, for your brother now need to come back and yard. Because they never can tell. We don't need to stick together now in these trying times. 200 years woman, we don't need a man, yeah. So he needs to come back home. So you call him on the phone and tell him, say, me say he needs to come back and yard. Right?
Yeah.
And anything I go on, we know they're on alert and ready. What me say? Alright. So where you go plan for now? You go back to school or you go work? Where you go do?
Now go back to school.
Your mother wants you to back to school?
Yeah.
This a time, yeah. Hope you not farm no food. They get the right thing you get. And remember, don't leave the nest until the right time. Alright?
Yes, uncle.
Alright, we go on the road.
Alright, uncle. Yeah.
It's like really lucky, you know.
Babes with them.
Go get something to drink. Alright, though.
You never watch the news? Why me I tell her? Yesterday when I see me go check my sister, nearly kill her. Last time I go come in exhausted, I go sleep, I never think about it, but I start tell you now. Yeah man, they nearly kill her. They do look a young boy, and the young boy tell her to buy land. And she said, yes, she go buy land. And when she draw the money and care to go buy land, she set her up and nearly kill her. But them strangle her, but they never kill her. So when she wake up out of the knock out and wake up back, then get locked up and now do. So that then go sentence them or whatever. Then go get attempted murder, charge and stuff. Rough. I just come to mind a while ago. But through last night when I come in, I kind of tired, I don't still smart. But I just tell you now. So when we have time with you, we have cherish the moment, you know what I mean? Because life crazy. Because she could have gone. So careful, you have to choose the person then. But I trust you though. Because you're there with me for a long while and you're there with me because of money. Anything you want, ask me for it. Because anything I feel me, I feel. Right? So I depend on you for happiness and you can depend on me for loyalty.
Yeah man, you don't have to worry about that. You know I say I love you and I know say you love me. And because of you, now I'm independent, I don't have to ask mother for anything. And you give me anything I want, like anything you spoil me. So, I don't have to think about them something there, but I'm really sorry to hear about your sister.
The boy when she fall in love with, she was twice his age. I know that I'm a little bit older than you. Not a lot, but a little. But it made me ask though, am I your sugar zazi?
No babe, you're my sugar but not sugar daddy. You could even be 100. I love you because you do everything for me and I really appreciate that.
Babes, you know I know who me just say a while ago. Like two man them me think they are jail way, but then say nearly kill their mother.
I lie.
Nah man, of them missy man. Hold on, them a come.
Yo, police shot talk up on the phone, boy.
No, so me a call police for one sir.
Hey, little boy. Who you chat up on the phone?
A hard year me call me order some material.
So always just see way you're there on your phone as a see way. When you pass it a while ago, you never there on your phone as a pass way. You take out phone like
Okay,
a call
sir, so
me.
you said you need a ton of block, a ton of steel, 50 cement, and some gravel. Okay, so you need some nails?
Mama, me no want no nail, mama. Yo, hold this. Hey, boy, you no see we, you know. You hear that?
Even know no.
What you mean you know? You see we on, you watching news?
No.
Yo, lift up.
You don't trust me now, brother. A
Come here.
police, yo, you don't trust the boy there, you know you. Yo. Brother, you can't believe say you not choke you man good, brother. Are you back with the nights right now, you know?
So you never did that too. So you behave, sir. I never me alone did it. Remember say they did that too, you know. You did it. So no bother with it, brother.
Me understand say we never chew a car good, but you did it. So no bother with it.
So what you intend to do?
What
Because
me
we done in this already, you know. What you intend to do?
what me intend to do? Yeah, what going on? This time you do the killing. You chew a car. Yeah? Just come on and stop it
Brother,
foolishness, brother.
you talk about money, you get money, so but am my money, you know?
Are we gonna stay here and chat or we are gonna get the job done?
Yo.
Because me in a bag of chatting.
Yo, come on.
Today is definitely not a good day. Because Jagger has escaped. Yeah, we're sorry to inform you that he has escaped. He, along with his accomplice, has escaped. But we're doing our utmost best to make sure we have him back in custody. I am not the lead detective on the case, but I am one of the person who is going to ensure that he's back behind bars.
But officer, wanna tell me so no have him and I need control. That is no control. So me need to know what happen now. Suppose him come on me yard now if he can't do me something.
That is why we're going to put you in protective custody. Where is your son and daughter?
My daughter run at the back and my son, he must be there in woman yard.
Alright, so we're going to need all of you to come together and we're going to put you in protective custody.
Officer, me not go nowhere. I hear some me born, I hear some me live, and nobody can make me left and right. So I hear some me and stay.
Alright, here's what we're going to do then. We're going to get a police to stand guard with you and your family.
Alright then.
Alright, we'll need to get a picture of your son, so go and get it. Alright, so just send it to my phone. Alright, so make sure you stay here with him, and if in case of anything, call me. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, yeah man.
Yo, you know, see, inform brother.
Yo, what? We have to change the plan, brother. Yo, what? We are hold on for Ricky.
Who name Ricky?
His son.
Which one we can
And
find?
we call him and tell him, say, yo, she just tell the police him, say, yo, nothing like that. I just fake him up. You understand?
Which part we can find?
Me know part in girlfriend. He have one girlfriend in some around both the place, brother. We have to so hunt him down, brother.
Yo, come on.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Mommy. You know, so one of my friends just called me a while ago and saying see two man them where the traffic killing, saying see them a walk down the road.
Me here already. You see the lady we see out there, sir? She a police. And she a guard me.
Oh.
Me not scared.
Oh, so now that me know, cause me didn't wonder who you know, but now that me know everything we alright then because me didn't wonder how this is going to because me don't want them go try nothing or anything. One was everything alright. Alright, mommy. Just the wine, you know, still, but like how you know, you can't go back the door.
You don't have to worry, man. We alright.
Alright, mommy.
Yeah.
When me not say ready. One tomorrow me not hear from you.
You know what, say, my uncle takes regular do what enough to do. And she come back, man. She don't
Oh,
go.
that good. Say come back for good now.
Yeah, man, I go down, I go see them one night. Mother, they call me and I go check up. The bruises on him, they put him man nearly kill him.
You know, see, it's true, because one time, somebody let me tell her, say she come to me, say, I want to stay over for me, yard, and I tell you, say, he can't stay because no space no there.
No, but you could have true still. You know, in time is a man that walk up and down naked.
I tell her, but I'm glad for you saying come back still.
Right.
You can go buy chicken, and buy curry, and buy one Maggi and potatoes.
Don't buy me.
And get piece of pepper.
Hello ma'am, good evening.
Good evening.
You know Ricky?
Yes, I'm boyfriend.
Yeah, which part him there?
I went to know. I went to.
No man, calm down. Him not do nothing, I just need to talk to him. Which part him there?
Oh, you know, saying just left going down my shop.
Alright then, alright, thank you. Hello, sir. Yeah, man. Ricky, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yo, this get sticky now, you know. Yo, it get sticky, brother. We have to just run in on them tonight, brother.
We're gonna need you to come on your mother yard right now.
What happened around there?
No, man, nothing happen, man. I just Jagger and him friend escape. So, no, man, you don't have to worry about nothing. They escape, but we want you to come on your yard so we can put you and your mother in a protective custody.
When? No.
Yeah, man, right now, man.
I mean, woman send me.
No, man, she can't stay. She alright, come.
Christopher Smith, aka Jagger, and his accomplice has escaped from the Negro police station. Both men are considered armed and dangerous. Please contact the nearest police station if you see or if you know of the whereabouts of these two men. In other news, accidents are on a rise in our nation. So we are recommending and encouraging, we implore that you take your time on the roads. Thanks for tuning in to JAMMIWOOD TV. I am Tracy and Blair. Good evening.
Yeah, you know, say, them people in the, they know I'm left. Alright, so different from that now. The hotel up the road, so we'll just take the time go up there. You know what I mean? And then tomorrow we'll go up and down different place. You alright? You look so concerned now, what?
You remember that thing about your sister this evening and what happened?
Mm-hmm.
You tell me said the youth them get
Then they lock up. They get locked up, man. Them good, man.
babe, me just see breaking news a while ago
Mm-hmm.
and them escape from prison.
When they escape?
Me not sure, but the lady said breaking news, they escape from prison and...
Alright. Yeah, what go on, Rebel?
Me there no uncle.
What me say the man them escape?
Yeah, that one, yes. You know, say, me there here though, me there in a bathroom but for go bed for go, but one police lady there watching a guard with and everything.
I way up in line, me and my girlfriend there, you know, with up on vacation and all, because, you know, sure sometime, you know what I mean, because love need a break, you know, from down the hustle down the side there. And she tell me, say, she see it on the news, you know what I mean, say, the youth them get where. By tomorrow, me try reach back down there. Come here, try call Ricky phone, I try call my sister phone, and I not get none of them. How am to their phone?
No, but Ricky supposed to be about the place there and mommy asleep.
Tomorrow, me come down. Alright. Alright, that's a word, man. Tell them somebody a call. Make she go and sleep. She could have gone rest for true. Alright, that's a word. Tell her in the morning then. Don't just be safe, you know. Be vigilant, you know. The sleep with one eye open. Right? Alright.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, then down there, there's a police down there with them, so them alright. Police stay asleep at house with them. So anybody come, they're safe. Can go up at hotel and all the vibes.
Alright.
Come on, Harris, you know.
Yo, you say you quite one good spot, you know.
John, dog. Can't be, sir. You don't say you make me go to jail.
How?
Me, how?
How me make you go to jail?
Then you tell the police I'm with the brother.
How?
I mean, how? Then you tell the police I'm with
Brother, me not tell no police nothing, you.
Brother, I mean, are you call me, brother? Are you alone to tell me?
Brother, I'm not telling you the truth, no, brother. That's my past, brother. Right now, brother, we get to brother. I scan them now, we deal with that in the end.
Police, up and up.
So officer, you have to do like I live.
Up and up.
Good night.
Yes, good night. Have you seen your boyfriend?
The last time I see him, I look for him in prison.
I am here to inform you that he has escaped and he's on the run with him and his crony. So I just want you to know that see if you see him and put him up, that's aiding and abetting. And you're liable to get jail time for that. Alright? So if you see him, make sure you just call the nearest police station.
Yes, officer.
Alright?
Yes.
Alright.
Yo, stay right there, so. Not chat to me so far.
Come to them police, yeah, man. They don't hear say no there. Sure. Officer.
Yo, babe.
You glad she's here? Oh, yeah, I can't even for. Police them just coming up. And I ask you, you know, and they say, me make you stay here or me know say you're there. They might go lock me up too and I can't take you lock up.
Babe, just easy. Me have a plan, just easy. As soon as me get rid of Jennifer, me leave the country with the money.
Okay, I'm ready.
What do you mean by get rid of?
Up a year, me go right now for her. You in or you out?
Why you know say me have to have you back? Me in, but I you alone I go do it.
Alright, just go on. You know see me?
So me must pack up. So
Yeah, pack up everything. Just pack up everything.
Alright. Be up no bother with it. No, you go have me whole time. Me no go and go do what you have to do and come back.
Alright.
Me go pack up me something. Wow.
Rebel, you see me always a one man about that young boy. No, me can't go on road. You can't even check your man neither. Boy. Mommy no listen. If I put him in karate, I then come and can deal with their skin.
But just glad to mommy alright still, cause I don't really want nothing to her still, you know. Honestly. But it's a lesson still.
Miss Jennifer,
Ma'am?
may I have some hot water, please? I need to make some coffee.
Yes, no problem. My son in the kitchen. So you just go on and I can give you some water to make a coffee.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I only hoping that to come a young boy to come in one whole man for walking tick. You can't do nothing.
Prepare me some hot water, please. I need a cup of coffee. It's going to be a long night, alright?
Alright. You hear that, Rebel? It's going to be a long night. You better drink some too. Alright. Sure, coffee. Officer, the water is ready.
I'm coming. Excuse me?
I'm going to take time with the sugar. You're welcome. I'll put no salt in there.
No. This is the way I like it. Thank you.
Pakistan. I'm going to sleep here.
Okay.
Because I'm kind of tired.
Alright, cool. Okay. You'll be guarded. I'm outside, okay?
Alright, thanks.
Detective?
Yes, Connie.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, we just have to call and find out if everything good on your side.
Oh, yes, I'm good. Everything clear.
Yeah, man, see, you no sign of water, right?
No, they're nowhere to be found.
Alright, so you know what, man, I'm going to pull up on some leaves and then we'll just come serve, you know, make fresh out of everything. See?
Okay, sure, no problem.
Alright, yeah, man, so you can get up this car.
Sure will.
Yo, make sure it's in there. Check it.
May I come? Jagger, Jagger, just want to talk to you, please.
Mama, brother.
When?
In the kitchen.
Jagger, why you do this? Why you doing this, Jagger? Jagger, you know some love you. Why you doing this?
Love me and I set up my life.
Jagger, how me and set you up? And now you are trying to kill me.
Yo, I one way me can't get my freedom, you know. And I buy get rid of you, you know. Them.
Jagger.
We were lucky enough to get a brand new M1 Mac to edit, and it is super fast. And we thank you very much for your donation. And also, we got a brand new Z6 camera, and also we got a drone. So if you're watching the video and you see those fabulous drone shot of Savlamar or Negril or anywhere in Jamaica, it is done by the new brand drone that we have gotten. So that's why I implore persons, if you want to contribute, please reach out and help what we're doing, because these little things that we have received is helping the production to get better. So thank you very much for your support. We're at this point, I stop calling names. I just make mention of the things that persons have done, because I know sometimes people don't want persons to know that they're contributing. They just want to be behind the scenes and do what they do. So thank you very much. Continue to support what we do, because you know it's getting better. But we want Uno to share up the video, them man, please, so we can get the views, so we can bring in some revenue, so we can able to take care of those persons who are involved in the creating process. Big up on yourself, subscribe, share, like, and comment.
Today, what they a look upon life and things that we have to give thanks for, you know what I mean? And while giving thanks, we have to know, say, for the good people them, the vision is always to help as much as we can and push forward here on earth, you know what I mean? So it's not a celebration fully yet, but we're not where we started. So as we go along now, we're in the presence of a brilliant young mind, you know what I mean, who pursue our dream in education. And you know, or the education system in Jamaica, education is not free, so it's costing a pretty penny. And circumstances make we don't really have any like to really put the right amount, you know. So out in the world, we just try to reach out to see who they can, you know, help the mission, because the mission is necessary. You have so much evil going around with on a daily basis, so much people dying. So if so much people can die, I guess some people can live. You know what I mean? So let's try to do something positive today. Because the campaign I'm upon is for a better Jamaica, and with education and willingness to push forward and pursue what you want to pursue on earth, we all have to try enlightening that and strengthen that. You know what I mean? So today is a good news. You know what I mean? There is somebody out here that need help to push forward education. She's not sick or nothing like that, but she need financial backative to pursue. How far are you now in college?
2 years.
2 years left?
Yes.
So there's 2 years left. Much year you got already?
2.
She got 2 years by herself and struggle and buckle it and fight the waters. And she's still a fight. And we see her in the street I do it. And she sing on the band at night time. And early in the morning she have to run up and down over one school. You know, it's so vigorous, and still that money they still not make. If you pay school fee, that show you how Jamaica work, things not so valuable. But when the system is charging you for something, they're gonna charge your arm and a leg. And then it take more than 10 body. See, because arm and a leg, it's a short in that, you know. But when them are said this, anything them are deal it for you buy from them, at 3 million and 4 million and 5 million to do it. And the real fact of the matter, if you really accumulate like $1 million in Jamaica, yeah, look for 40 years. So the 40 years, we don't really have that. If you deal with now, education is at stake. We want to see if you can get the 2-year tuition fee, you know what I mean? So if you're out there, reach out. So we're going to talk to her a little more, you get a little more information about her, you know what I mean? She's not when I move with them long time, we do it from long time to see it. Yeah, and so you know, somehow not familiar with her face out in the world, you know what I mean? And who not familiar with her. Mama, you tell her name and thing. Tell them your name and thing.
Okay, my name is Carlanda Gordon, and I am currently in UTech, University of Technology. I'm pursuing a degree in quantity surveying. Basically, my task is I price projects. So I work for a client. If, for example, you have a project that you want to get done, in construction, of course, you call me, I would try to arrange for people to come in and give you different prices of what the project can be. And so they send in their tenders, and then we work from that. The one that is convenient to you, that's what we'll go with. So we ensure that we try our best to ensure that you're not being robbed.
So you're like construction police in one sense then?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because I know so bright in them listen there, you know, so me have to talk like how me understand, yeah? So, but so interesting, like something we in the field you know of Jamaica is being taken over by different set of people. Now call our name. But you know I go, because you don't really understand what's going on here in Jamaica. We can't buy land and things. So with she now having education, maybe she can mediate something for Jamaicans now in terms of when they want land to buy. That's right? Then couldn't talk to you, you can get the land buy and know about the land them there.
We help them to make the process easier. You have less stress. And we just help you to figure it out.
And make it faster.
Right.
Yeah, because so many times Jamaica think can move so slow. So more people like, you know, we can deal with them issue there. It's good. And it's good for education, be a part of Jamaica now. A time of the rate of how the next thing them is going on. You have like the people them doing illegal stuff, they accumulate wealth and them thing there. So you can't have the side is strengthened so much, and at the end of the day, the good side now get no strength. So members say the good side is out there that trying to do something positive. So you do something positive, you can't sit aside and say, "Oh, Jamaica gone to the dogs." You have to hold yourself responsible. So if you're not be a part of the solution, you're a part of the problem. And I'm trying to be a part of the solution. What are you trying to be? You know what I mean? I hope you understand what I say now. She want to finish her college degree, and she needs financial support to get that done because student loan it only goes so far. And they've been doing the class online, but now soon they are going to go back into the classroom. When you go to the classroom, she's from Westmoreland, and the classes is going to be in Kingston.
Right.
So she have to go rent a room, she have to go have money to buy food and them something there. And nobody ask what her parents, and her parents don't have it. Because them grandparents used to work for little and nothing, and it fall long upon them. And me never did them time there, because little and nothing is what mash up Jamaica, you know what I mean? From slavery days until now, we don't see no good pay make and no good pay. So that's the problem with us. Whenever we want to go do the college thing now, we can't do it. And the student loan is another sore in the people them neck. Because once you work and you want to go do the student loan with them, you owe them for years upon years, and it make no sense. Yeah. You understand? Because the work, you go and left Jamaica, go do some work and come back. Right. And maybe if you do student loan, you can't go left until you pay up the student loan. I don't know how it go, but it's a so. You understand what I mean? Do they send you foreign when you get student loan?
Well, you have the ability to work and travel.
After taking student loan?
Right. So like
so you
in
can
the summer,
pay back over there.
Right. You can go. So you use your summer. So while you're in university, there's a program that allows you to go abroad and you work and then you come back. And whatever you make while you're abroad, you can use it to, well, if you want to start paying back student loan or you want to use it to survive for the rest of the semester until you get to go again, then that's optional. But you do have the ability.
But I think you have to pay some money to go up on that too. It's
definitely.
Not
no, it's not.
So everyone angry them where you go is money.
Right.
And this is what mashing up Jamaica and the crime rates are high. It's all about money. So to fight the good fight, we need some money for her to get our student thing up and running. Right. So the information to contact go there provided on the channel on the screen. So make the link. And let's take it from there. Anything you want to say to them differently that who's watching?
Yes. So as you mentioned before, most times I sing. So I sing at different functions like weddings, birthday parties, sometimes like the Jerk Centers, they're having a special function. Some persons have asked me to sing at funerals before. That one has been interesting. But I do singing, so I definitely sing. I'm a singer. And I have a business page wherein I do decor. So it's like a creative page.
Oh, so you're fighting to survive. So I know that you're on this journey to education, but what about your parents? How are they financially helping you?
Okay, so both of my parents are alive. Let me just say that. However, my mom has been my main source of support. She has always been the one who is trying to send me to school and so on. So, well, I remember like when I was in high school, there was a time when, because she has two of us, me and my brother, and I would have carried lunch to school, you know, and
That means that she not have the money there.
right. So, but she tries her best.
Once you say carry food to school, that means the money there.
And I'm a foodie, so I'd get a heavy lunch bag.
Yeah. So what kind of work does she do though?
Well, she's not working now. She has a farm.
Oh.
She rears animals, so chicken and
So
pigs.
is there money coming out the farm to send to school?
There's money, but there's not much. There's money for survival. I'm definitely not hungry, and we weren't raised to beg. Like, I don't know how to beg. I don't know how to ask for things, because what she has always taught us is working hard. Once you work hard, you're going to get a reward. That's what she has always instilled. So me having that, I started working while going to school. I started working from early, and then when I went into university, you know, I would have had a little bit more time on my hand than when I was going to sixth form. So I started to work at different jobs, do singing during the nights, go back to work in the morning, and then I'm juggling work and school at the same time because the classes are.
So what are you doing
online.
now?
So now I'm working at a high school as a lab technician, right? You don't get a lot of money for that job. I know it sounds fancy, but you don't. However, it gives me the chance to go to my classes sometimes, or more than I would have had at a regular 9 to 5.
But you're singing on the beach too?
Right, so I sing on the beach, I sing at some of the villas that you see. You have a lot of them. I sing at Bourbon, I sing at Roots Bamboo, and you know, Vicitini. Just, you know, you do a night show and they pay you the rate that I normally pay musicians. So I've always been working and going to school because.
So what's the problem are you encountering now? Now that they want to go back to class?
So now that I want to go back to school, I don't have a lot of money. I don't have much saving. So I'm going to definitely have to buy another device. I'm going to have to buy a laptop for school, and I'm going to have to, you pay for boarding, you know, you find food, you pay for transportation to go to school, especially if you haven't gotten a boarding place near to campus. You know, you have to travel to school and so on.
But all that singing and working, doesn't no money, did they save what
It's a little, as I said before, because you have to survive. So you pay to survive. That's basically what I'm doing.
So you still live with mom?
Right. So I live with her, but I help out. And then I save a little from what I have.
So definitely. So where's the father?
My father is absent.
When you say father absent, because he's a father, you know, I'm looking for my daughter. What do you mean when you say father absent?
For the earlier stages of my life, he was present somewhat, you know, contributing. But after a while, he disappeared, basically. He's just not there. It's my mom. My mom has been doing her best, and I appreciate her for it. And I'm definitely working, you know, because if I'm planning, if it is that you are working in Jamaica, you don't get a good pay unless you have a degree. That's just it. Nothing to it, nothing to sugarcoat it. You have a degree, you get to see money. So when I want to help her, right? I want to make sure that she's comfortable because she has done her best for me.
Yeah, based on the resources she have.
Right.
So that's what it's all about today. She wants to do better for Jamaica. She wants a better Jamaica. So that's what we're fighting for.
Right, and sometimes I also babysit. So I do a little and tutor. I tutor primary school and prep school children. Sometimes I help basic school levels depending on what the parent would like. But I also tutor and I babysit. Whatever it is,
you try to make money.
Right, I just work towards.
But I have to admire the way you go about things, because I know of people working at certain massage parlor to do the same thing to send themselves to school. You know what I mean? Are them dating a sugar daddy? But I can tell that you're a Christian based upon. Are you a Christian, right?
I'm a Christian.
Yeah, and you're not married yet, so you're keeping yourself.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, so you're kind of single.
Right.
Yeah, so I can go to ask you about where is your boyfriend to help with somebody build them. You know what I mean? So
my focus is school. I'm trying my best to make sure that I get that part out of the way, because having a partner or not, you're still going to need to be able to provide for yourself, or you're going to need to be able to help.
Yeah.
Right?
So,
and I also have my mom that I'm definitely going to have to take care of, and I can't depend on my partner's cash to take care of my mother or other responsibilities that is.
But now you're single now.
Yes.
All right. So she is a Christian single girl, and she don't want no man to not go to school. So when him done, me hope you can't left.
Definitely.
Because I'm saying go to college. So you know, so you're doing the right thing. Panaka did enough violence going to Jamaica because of that. A man saying go to school, and when you're done, you want left, you can't left. So, but the money from the singing is not enough.
No, it's not.
And the money from the business page is not enough.
No.
So we're going to provide a link of her performing somewhere. So if you have an event, you have a wedding, and you want your wedding boom bossy, I don't know the word, I just create it. You just put her to it and give her money, so that will be a contribution to her tuition.
Right.
You know what I mean?
I do work and go to
yes, she try work for her school, but the money does not adding up. So that's why we put it on this forum now. So if you're not in Jamaica and you want to assist, you can assist, you know, because each one build one. Don't sit our world and say, boy, Jamaica gone bad. Because there are good things happening here, but it's good things will not be highlighted so easy. It's hard for good to strive. Right. So we got to fight hard for good. Right. All right? Let's make Jamaica a better place. Let's make a better Jamaica. So
they can follow the business
page
on
the business
Instagram.
Page. You're going to see the information.
It's Carly's Creation with K, so that's KARLYS _KREATIONS. Carly's Creation on Instagram.
All right. So you who's out there, give thanks for what you have and share what you have sometime. You know what I mean? God will bless you. And if you not share, just still bless you, said you, but do the right thing though. You know what I mean? So to put yourself in fear shoes now, knowing that you have the capability of learning certain things in the mind, but the finance is not there. You know what I mean? And we are at Jamaica. Jamaica is such an unforgiving place when it comes to funds. The funds don't follow much here, and everything is for arm and a leg, but they don't pay an arm and a leg here when you work. So you understand? So it's
giving and not receiving.
Yeah. So it's a work. You work and work and work and work, and you don't see nothing. So now she try to help herself so she can actually help her family, because she have your brother and sister and thing, right? So you want to make it so she can help them. So you help she help other people, you know what I mean? So it's like feeding one man and him feed the nation. Let's make a good step today. Better Jamaica is what we really want. You know what I mean? So much violence, so much people dying. Let's do something for the living now. Who's living and who's here. Positive vibration. You know what I mean? Give thanks. You know what I mean? For us in our place and Carolanda. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. You know what I mean? And while you're assisting, you'll get updates on whatever is going on. You know what I mean? Because you start it off, come carry it to the end. You understand? Take what you take and go do what you do. One Jamaica, better Jamaica. Let's go.